Apple's much-anticipated iPhone 16 lineup is set to make waves, with the big reveal just around the corner in 2024. The latest leaks have unveiled some exciting updates, including design changes, enhanced internals, and exclusive features for different models. In this comprehensive video, we'll delve into 7 crucial leak updates that shed light on what to expect from the upcoming iPhones. 1. Action button design. One of the first leaks surrounds the action button design for the iPhone 16 lineup. Initial rumors hinted at a larger and longer action button, especially for the Pro models, creating a distinction. However, the latest leak suggests that Apple is sticking to the current design for the 16 Pro, while the regular 16 models will receive the new action button. 2. RAM and chip upgrades. According to Apple analyst Jeff Pu, the basic iPhone 16 models will now boast 8 GB of RAM and Wi-Fi 7 support. This aligns them with the current 15 Pro models, promising a seamless multitasking experience. Furthermore, the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro are rumored to feature the A18 and A18 Pro chips, with both models equipped with 8 GB of RAM, potentially streamlining the manufacturing process. 3. Snapdragon X 755G modem. Leak update number 3 reveals that the latest Snapdragon X 755G modem will be exclusive to the iPhone 16 Pro models. Despite its expected improvements, some users might find it disappointing that the regular iPhone 16 won't enjoy the benefits of this advanced modem. 4. Apple surpasses Samsung. In a surprising turn of events, Apple has reportedly shipped more smartphones annually than its biggest rival, Samsung. This achievement marks a significant milestone for Apple, especially considering Samsung's traditionally high sales volume driven by a multitude of budget-friendly devices. 5. Storage performance concerns. A potential setback for the iPhone 16 Pro models comes with reports suggesting that the 1 TB SSD models might experience worse performance than their 15 Pro counterparts. This is attributed to Apple's shift to quad-level cell QLC NAND flash memory, a more cost-effective option that could lead to compromised speed and longevity. 6. Introduction of 2 terabytes. Storage option. Despite concerns about storage performance, a positive update reveals that the iPhone 16 Pro models will introduce a new 2 TB storage option. This aligns with the increasing demand for storage due to enhanced video recording capabilities, especially with the anticipated addition of a capture button. 7. Front-facing camera upgrade. In iPhone 17. Looking ahead to the future, Ming-Chi Kuo's recent leak suggests that the iPhone 17, expected next year, will feature a groundbreaking 24-megapixel front-facing camera. This improvement, coupled with a new 6-element lens, promises enhanced image quality for selfies. However, this also implies that the iPhone 16 Pro models might not see any significant changes to their front-facing camera. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 lineup appears poised to offer a mix of exciting upgrades and potential trade-offs. As the tech community eagerly awaits the official unveiling, these leaks provide a tantalizing glimpse into Apple's innovative approach to its upcoming flagship devices. Stay tuned for more updates as the release date approaches, and let the speculation continue.